Hi, welcome back. Today we're looking at a $4 mobile phone telescope for your cell phone. 12 times optical zoom. Stick around. It's happening right now. Geek.com. It's $4 plus another $4 for standard shipping. Comes in black or white. It's 12 time optical zoom with wide angle, so it gets more than your normal cell phone does. Let's open it up. Shows up in a package like this. Mobile phone telescope. Alright. Let's see what comes in the box. Okay, inside the box, you have a nice cloth here for cleaning the lenses. You have the clip, and you have the optical zoom. This thing's very tight. It's got a protective end here to clip onto your phone, and then that for the lens. Okay, this is made out of ABS plastic and acrylic. Good quality. You work the zoom right here like this. Turns nice and easy. Pop the cover off. Pop that cover off. Snaps right in. Just like that. Nice and easy. Not bad at all. And then clip it right on top of your phone. Boom. Now I will be taking some photos and some video with this to give you a before and after so that we have a comparison. But for $8, you can't pass this up. It's lightweight. It's not going to really increase the weight of your camera. So stick around. Here come the photos and videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, for more great budget gaming tech, click right up here. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet and you like the content, smash right there for me and subscribe so you don't miss any great videos coming. I'll meet you there.